Hi everybody, and welcome to today's Fluorescent Friday. We are here in the elevaTOURS Fluorescent Lighting Laboratory, where today actually it's not going to be a fluorescent, but rather we have an Ericsson high pressure sodium fixture that was only in use for about a month, and the starter went bad. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a new starter in this light fixture. Alright y'all, let's get to work here. Let's get to work. We have removed the old starter from this fixture. But what concerns me is the starter was actually mounted here to this heat sink, and I'm wondering if it overheated. So what we're going to do, we're just going to mount the starter down here in the base. So that being said, we just got to shear off some wires real quick, and then we can install the new starter, or igniter, or whatever you want to call it. So let's get that done. Here we go. Just going to shear the wires off. Two wires. You can hear the birds upstairs just going crazy over something. I don't know what it is. But I'm going to be going crazy at the fact that this light fixture is going to work. Here is the new igniter. It's a Robertson. This is the exact same one that failed, so if this one fails, I'm going to have to find a solution to get a different brand of igniter, because if this continues to fail, obviously these suck. So we're going to wire the igniter in now. What on earth? This wire nut is not working. There we go. And now the blue. Alright, now we have the igniter installed. Let's make sure it stays put. We're going to stick it behind the cord, so that way the cord will press down on it and it will stay in place, and it won't be exposed to any heat except maybe from the ballast. Now we're going to put the fixture back together. Alright y'all, now we're going to see if the light fixture lights up. And it works. This light fixture is fixed. And now I'll let you watch a sodium lamp start up. Starting off kind of white. You can see the stuff in the arc tube. Now it's really getting orange. The sodium has gotten into the arc stream. As it progresses, it'll get more a whitish orange. Fluorescent Friday. Alright, this bulb is about warmed up, as good as it's going to get, so hope you enjoyed today's Fluorescent Friday. We got this light fixture working again. How long it's going to work for, I don't know. But with that being said, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, bye y'all.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.